It is American Bonfire Nights, July the 4th, 2025, year of our Lord. Ooh. This is like highly illegal, these fireworks. Police don't give a fuck though. Police are like, we're not fucking bothered. See, how do we know who fucking lit it? Sparkly. Could you be my neighbor? Should we didn't get any fireworks, did we? The fireworks that we got the year a few years ago, fucking hell. They're supposed to be safety ones, and I'm like, Jesus Christ almighty. I'm gonna find that. This fucking like, oh god, we're like apocalypse now, fucking taking everything out. It's funny because it's American Bonfire Night. So at least you get that. I mean, we have fireworks every night from Disney land, or whatever the fuck they call it. Disneyland, Disney World, whatever the fuck, I don't know what it is. Disneyland, California. But it's not the same. Because the miles away, you can hear them and see them, but this is better because everyone's at it. So as soon as it goes dark, everyone's just like, fuck this. Get all the fireworks there. Just do one at a time, yeah. I don't know why I like that shot of this out. It always reminds me of, do you know this neighbourhood? It reminds me of that film Halloween. Do you know when Jamie Lee Curtis is running away down the streets? It's like that. Sparkly! Ooh. No one's got rockets out yet. Oh, it's good. Ooh, that was a good one. We've only got one car, we've only got one car. It's terrible. Got my super bike though. Oh, right. I'm gonna show you what I like. I think it's that, I don't know why. There's one that just like reminds me of like quintessentially California. I don't know if it's like orange sky and houses and stuff. Tunes on over there. With no copyright claim, it was accidental inclusion. The bad my account again. I think by the time we're doing shopping when we come back, Alton will be out with fucking prop ones. I don't know if you remember that video of I think it was across here. And they were all police helicopters, and you could just hear fucking police cars all towards I'm facing now road. And then people were sending them, you know, proper fucking massive white rockets. They were shooting. I don't think they were deliberately shooting them at helicopters, but it looked like it. Ooh, that was a good one. There's American Bonfire Nights. It's right annoying when it's fucking bonfire night here, because they're in out. I suppose you could buy fireworks and save them, but then it'd just be me on my own, wouldn't it? Back going. I think that would be good actually. Take them to Hillcrest Park. That'd be good. Give me a wonderful word. Fireworks. Yes, that is indeed a wonderful word. Because the dark so quick here, it's like you just click your fingers and it's just fucking pitch black straight away. It's not too bad now actually. Who's got fireworks then? Could do with a drone. Oh! In one, he's got the best aerial one so far. They don't have proper sparklers either. Do you know them what like maimed young children? They're like miserable bastards. I mean, you can't even stick fucking red hot metal in a kid's hand and be screaming and going to A&E. We're like, fucking politically correct, please. Fucking stick it in the nose. Oh, you safety fire. I mean, you couldn't. I've probably seen them before. They're like wrapped in paper. They don't like proper kill you. Fucking metal ones. What the fuck is that in there? Alright, we've captured a UFO. What the fuck is that? Is it a balloon? It looks like that tree on the right hand side if you pan to the left, like at the bottom of the tree. When the fireworks just went off, there's like this grey thing in air. And it looks like a cloud, but it isn't, because it's moving too fast. What the fuck? There's two others. Look, it's aliens have come down to get us. Take me! Take me! Get me out of this fucking place. I wonder what the fucking hell they are. Unless it's remnants of fireworks, but I can't see it. We're just going to do a zoom in. Schoolboy out. I don't know that. There's one on the television. The telly! It looks better. I'm surprised Gustavo's not. He might be now. He usually puts them all down, sort of around there, and he sets up about 50 or 60, and there's all family out, all like 20 of them or rather 20, 25, 30 people, and he puts like barbecue things out, and like gives them all labours, you know, street tacos. He's like folders. Oops. Yeah, like little chapatis, but they're not shit. They're not sesame. It's like a little pancake, and then they put like slow roasted pork, you know, chicken, and then like hot salsa and all that sort of thing. They're really nice. I wonder if he'll do something later on. He usually sends like invitations. Oh, we've got proper flashy bang bang kill police helicopters on Zulu. Just look at sky. I remember I went to stairs fireworks, it was mint as fuck. But there was this kid next to me, about 7 years old, and he must have been an expert on fireworks. He's going, "Wow, look at that! Gee whiz, Mom, that's an XP 8, 9, 10 one. That one, wait for the bang." And he fucking... Oops. And he fucking knew everything, but I was like... He was stood right next to me, you know, right? And all you little bastard, he's going... G-Man! And he went, not this, but in England, Spades. And he sounded like a little fucking annoying bastard American kid. And he was annoying me to fucking death. And I couldn't mute it out because she had to have sounds at the fireworks. I think, little fucker. You'd have to get someone, don't you? Oh, there we got sparklers. Pretend non-killing small children sparklers. They're sort of like jacket box things, isn't they? Where he's fucking going around sacking everyone and jumping about on the floor and that. America! Bonfire nights! So in there is a big massive... See what they should do? In the centre of the cul-de-sac there, they should have like a big fucking... This is like a circle going around here, look. Should have like a big giant fire in the middle there. Yeah, some nice sticky police films. It's fucking mental. I don't think bother about fireworks, but I don't know why I like these shots of this street. Do you know houses and that? It's like, especially that house there with like little lights on right on the side. It looks like some little, well not little, like a log cabin somewhere. Like in some exotic place. I suppose it is exotic in a way to some people. Oh, helicopters are out. We got the popo! Right, someone take police helicopter out. Is it a fucking helicopter? Helicopter, it's pretty high up there. You're not really near them fucking things. I answered at the door, and it has got a little lights on the fucking porch. Oh, there's another one. Well, two helicopters. I think that one first one was planned. That one's definitely a helicopter. He's doing the circling round. See that one? You can't see it. We might be able to. Oh. Oh! Gotta be fucking quick catching these. Oh, car alarm's going off. It's on me, get them, run, run! What's that film fucking war at Wales when aliens come out from underground? It's like that. It's not nice. Like shit! Giant fucking aliens coming to get us. Run away! Oh, this is gonna be a long video. Shit! That's self-great. What is it? Apocalypse Now? I saw Apocalypse Now, it's like that. Oh, shit. Fuck the fire regulations! Let's set California on fire. They're actually strict about it though, they get it fucking right upset about it. It's like everywhere, it's like no bonfires, don't put anything, don't put any fire anywhere. You're not even allowed to have a bonfire in your backyard. Or yard as they call it. I'm like, if it's got grass, it's a garden. Oh, we're going in the backyard. We're in it now. It's a garden, it's got flowers and trees and things. Fucking Americans. That's gonna be the start of this video. Fucking Americans, American bonfire. Can't even have it in November. It's terrible. Tactical retreat day. We really won. Right. Oh. Whoa. An electric out with a bang. Nice to see you. Night.